Have you ever wondered why a single degree difference can ruin an entire harvest or recall millions of dollars in food? Today, we are diving deep into the science of why precise temperature control is non-negotiable. Temperature affects every single stage of manufacturing and biological processes. Whether you are heating wax for a candle or growing plants in a greenhouse, inconsistent temperatures can lead to catastrophic failures before you even begin. In the food industry, this precision is literally the difference between safety and a massive recall. For any food safety manager, the word recall causes more stress than anything else, because improper temperatures destroy integrity instantly. Let's look at a specific example. Candles. Heat your wax to the wrong temperature when adding fragrance oil. Those delicate scent compounds burn off, resulting in a product that smells weak or nothing at all. Plants operate like Goldilocks. They do not want it too hot or too cold. The right temperature ensures your plants can photosynthesize efficiently and absorb nutrients properly to give you a lush growth and bountiful harvest. Advanced technology from pioneers like Liebherr exists specifically to uphold the integrity of temperature control. These systems strive to deliver appliances that maintain perfect conditions, ensuring profit and safety in every application. Ultimately, precise temperature is the heart of food safety and a critical variable for manufacturing success. Without this control, efficiency drops, quality fails, and the final product cannot reach its full potential. So there you have it. Temperature is the silent guardian of quality in every industry. What specific temperature challenge do you face in your work? Let me know in the comments below.